the Village Apartments in Troy, Alabama. We are less than 1 mile away from Troy University, and we're just down the street from so many amazing shops, restaurants, parks, and so much more. This is a pet-friendly community in a great location. Today, we'll be looking at a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom unit. Let's go take a look. Come on in. All units feature large living spaces with plank flooring and a storage closet. Right off of the living room, you'll find the kitchen that features all of the essentials. The bedroom is very spacious and includes a closet and an ensuite bathroom with a storage closet. Outside, you'll find lots of green space, perfect for your furry friends. This community also offers renovated units. Be sure to inquire with the leasing office regarding availability. Click the link below to book your tour.